Hey guys, this is Derek at the Garage Door Guy, and today I want to talk to you about bottom seal and perimeter seal. So first thing with the bottom seal, it is the seal that is on the bottom of your garage door that seals it against the concrete. Now, a few common issues we find with these is many of times this bottom seal actually doesn't even come all the way till the end of the door. It stops short, and so it's a big enough gap for mice and rodents to get through, which is obviously a problem. Another common sign of failure we see with these is this rubber actually hardens. And the problem with the rubber, if it hardens, is it's actually not even sealing against your concrete. It's just a hardened piece of rubber. So you're probably going to see light and things like that coming through. A way you can test for that is just simply grabbing the rubber and pinching it and seeing if it's still pliable and flexible or if it's hard. Sometimes we've even ran into garage doors that don't even have a bottom seal on it. And then of course this one, the problem with this seal is it's actually completely out of the channel, which is a problem as well. There are all kinds of different types of bottom seals that you can get, and it is manufacturer specific, so you want to make sure you get the right one. And there are some garage door seals that are no longer produced or available, and so we can use a universal seal in that case. The next one I want to talk about is perimeter seal, and just as the name implies, it seals your garage door around the perimeter from the elements. The most common thing we see with these is the rubber dry rotting. So you can see we got a piece of PVC here, and then this rubber is actually attached to the PVC. And this rubber dry rots, just like this one has. You can see it's cracked along the edges. That's because that rubber seal has dry rotted, and it's going to easily break, it's going to chip, it's going to rip. Another problem we see with these is the PVC, basically plastic. It actually will dry rot as well, and it'll break, chip very easily. So that's a few things with garage door seals and some issues that we find with them. If you're looking at your garage door seal and you see some of this and you think, hey, this really needs to be replaced, give us a call and let us know, and we're happy to help.